Hi guys, if you got the same problem just like me, your key won't turn due to the winter weather or bad mechanism, then what you need to do is you need to apply some WD-40. This is mechanical lubricant. You gotta keep spraying it, guys. I was spraying it constantly on my key, and when you put the key inside the door lock, just spray some inside, and you have to keep taking the key in and out, guys, and twist it. And then after around 5 minutes it will start to loosen up, and then it's more easier to turn. You see guys, it's getting there, it's loosening up. It's very good now, it's opening up freely. Right guys, I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.